Shri Matre Namaha. Welcome all of you in the tutorial of Shri Vishnu Dhyana Shloka. This is the series of learning the worship of Panchadevatas, and this video is dedicated towards learning of the Dhyana Shloka of Shri Vishnu. Shri Vishnu is the third Devata in the Panchayatana Devata series, and many of us know this Dhyana Shloka of Shri Vishnu as it is mentioned in Shri Vishnu Sahasranama also. We are here trying to give you as possible as the simple Dhyana Shlokas through which you can attain the same energy as you do with the help of a mantra. And you can learn it easily in a feasible manner too. So let us come and understand. For understanding this, let us understand who is Vishnu, what is the energy of Vishnu. Shri Bhagavan Narayana Vishnu is the one who is the protector of Dharma. He is the one who tells us what is righteousness, what is Dharma. And he tells us that when we are supposed to stand towards Dharma and when we are supposed to protect it, we should never do delay and we should stand towards it. So let us understand the Dhyana Shloka of Shri Vishnu. It is as like Shantakaram Bhujangashayanam Padmanabham Suresham. He is very disciplined and very polite and kind. He is sleeping on the Ananta Shesha's bed, a bed which is made from the folds of Ananta Shesha. He is having one lotus coming out from his navel in which Sri Brahma is sitting. Suresham, the one who has been worshipped by the Devatas also. Okay, so first line says Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham. Second goes Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam. Is the form of whole world, or either we can say the world is within him. Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrusham, he is the one who is very big. Again Vishwarupa we can say. Meghavarnam is as blue as complexion of a dark rainy cloud. Shubhangam, his presence or his outlook is very beautiful and contains all the positive attributes. Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogebhirthyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharanam Sarvalokaikanaatam. He is the husband of Sri Mahalakshmi, the consort of Sri Mahalakshmi. His eyes are like the lotus petals. Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Bhirdhyanagamyam. The one who has always been meditated by the yogis, the rishis. Vande Vishnu, O Bhagavan Mahavishnu, I bow down to you. Bhava Bhayaharam, who is the one, he is the one who can demolish all the bhayas of this materialistic world from our mind, who is the Natha of all lokas. So this is the meaning of this shloka. Let us understand and learn it again. So the first line says, Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham. The first line comprises of 4 words. What are they? Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham. Okay. Second line. Vishwadharam Gaganasadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam. Again, I'll repeat the second lines. Vishwadharam Gaganasadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam. Okay, I'll repeat these 2 lines again. Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganasadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam. Okay, next comes Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogibhirdhyanagamyam. So when you see this third line, there is one small glitch in this which people rarely understand, which is they speak till Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam, they speak correct only. The next line is with a refa of ra, Yogi Bhir. Okay, so how the line goes? Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Bhirdhyanagamyam. Okay, I hope you are understanding it. Again, we will say Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Bhirdhyanagamyam. Okay, last line. Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham. This line again, 3 words. Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham. I'll repeat these 2 lines again. Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Bhirdhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham. I hope you understand this second part also. Now let us again chant the whole shloka and see how to chant it in a proper channelized way. The text of this shloka will be present in the description box. So while learning, you can open the description box and learn by seeing through the text. The text will be in English. So now let us chant it together twice. Om Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganasadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Bhirdhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham. I hope you understand. Again, we will repeat it. Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्. So, this was the Dhyana Shloka of Sri Vishnu. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned with our channel to learn more such Dhyana Shlokas on the Panchadevata series. Thank you.